Hello bantu banjye, nanone nongeye kubasuhuza nk'uko twabivuganye ubushize rero ko tugiye kujya dufata akanya tugatembera. Uyu munsi nanone twagize amahirwe adasanzwe yo guhura nk'abanyafurika by'umwihariko batuye muri Amerika. Twahuriye ahantu mugiye kubibona guys, tugiye kugira ibihe byiza. Abanyafurika n'ubundi mu muco wacu nk'uko mubizi dukunda guhura tukaganira tugasabana. So guys, tugiye rero kuhavinga fun. Mukurikire murebe, ni ibintu byiza, tugiye kugira ibihe byiza bidasanzwe. Nanone ni Martin, kandi nanone guys ntibagiwe gukora subscribe, share, comment, likes. It's sad man, you see. Ngo murabibona ko ibintu bimeze neza cyane. Wow.
Yeah, 3 and 3 and 7.
Wow. Guys, ngira ngo murabibona, tugiye kwicara ngaha. Having fun. Ngira ngo murabumva wa murishyo w'abanyafurika w'umwimerere n'aha uba wahageze. Ntabwo ndi buvuge amagambo menshi guys, ndabareka mwirebera, ariko ngira ngo murabona ko abanyafurika hano rwose babukereye, kandi barishimye, bari excited guhura. Ntabwo biba byoroshye ko abantu bahura nk'uku ngo baganire bagire n'ibihe byiza. Yes guys, abanyafurika rero iyo babanye akanya nyuma y'umunaniro w'akazi barahura muri Amerika bakaganira bakagira ibihe byiza. Ngira ngo murabona ko ari benshi, bane mu nzantu bahuriye ahantu bijya ukabasha kuba wafata icyo kunywa. ngo murabibona. Yes guys, ngira ngo murabibona, barahura bagasabana bakagirana ibihe byiza nyuma y'umunaniro w'akazi. Barahura bakagirana ibihe byiza. Ntabwo ari ibintu biba byoroshye rero kubona umwanya hano muri Amerika. Niyo mpamvu mubona abantu bose baba bari excited, bishimye, bari kuramukanya, hari n'ibyo kurya, bakaganira bakibukiranya ibyo muri Afurika iwacu. Good.
Oh, me. Me. I drum. All right.
I drum.
I will come now.
Neil. I'm not saying the name. It's a Neil solo.
It is going to be in my
umuvandimwe arimo arasobanura icyo yari igiye gukora, ko agiye kuvuga kuvuza ingoma naririmba indirimbo ijyanye n'umuco wabo
welcoming everybody, and everybody say, "Oh, you welcome too." So now we know
Zanangoze, Ngoze. Wow, like it. Ngoze. Wow, I like it, man. Yeah.
welcome to our humble abode. Welcome. First of all, I want to thank you for coming.
Yeah, I need to push a little bit.
My wife has made all this possible.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool.
And I am her spokesperson. I happen to be her husband. So here's what I want to do. I want to welcome you because
This guys, uyu ni senateri rero arimo arasobanura uburyo ki abantu bari kumwe kambareke mukurikirane speech.
And I've been excited ever since, and I want to thank them personally to welcome you all here. This is a fantastic event, and you all have made it such an event. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome, son.
So, now here's Kathy, my boss. Let's see if she has a few words for you.
Appreciate it.
Now I should proceed to be her spokesperson. So, what we want to do is memorialize this, particularly for those people who have come together under the banner which Yvonne Bach has been so tenacious about making happen. I mean, this is just so fantastic. Every time I think about it, I think about how powerful this is. She's very modest about it. But I want to tell you, what I've witnessed, the coming together of people, has just been absolutely powerful. And this is an individual that's traveled throughout West Africa, South Africa, parts of Northeast Africa, etc. Let me tell you something, I get it. 54 countries. People talk Africa.
Yeah.
It's 54 countries, 54 nations.
Yeah.
We have represented here many of those individuals from those nations. So, to memorialize this event, I'm going to take a very serious journey here, and I want you to work with me on this, okay? First of all, well, I may need Charles. First of all, on behalf of the unity of African communities living in America, Yvonne, please. Charles, please. Charles. I want to present this Senate certificate.
Oh my God.
To memorialize this.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I like to say every time that we present a certificate, that we're taking the words of the certificate and we're spreading them across the books of the Commonwealth of Kentucky for what we like to refer to as forever and a day. So we take this serious. So we've done this here. I'm not going to read all of these, but I do think it's important for us to go through this. So this says, to all to whom these presents shall come, greetings, know ye that unity of African communities living in America is recognized and honored for its outstanding efforts in supporting the needs of African immigrants living in the United States of America. And it goes on to say all kinds of great things, but it ends with something. Inasmuch as the unity of African communities living in America has had a profound and positive impact on the lives of countless individuals and continues to labor with the utmost integrity and resolve to promote the well-being and success of African immigrants throughout the greater Louisville community and across America, said honoree has offered sincere praise and gratitude for its ongoing efforts in these most worthwhile and consequential endeavors. It is extended best wishes for the utmost success and good fortune in the future. This is on my motion. Signed and recognized by the Senate of the Commonwealth of Kentucky.
Wow.
I'm gonna drop it in the middle. Who I give this to? There you go. Okay. Now I'm not gonna go through all these, but Yvonne, there's no way I could memorialize the effort with memorializing your effort. To all to whom these presents shall come, greetings. Know ye that Yvonne Coleman Bach. Where'd you get that Coleman from?
My daughter's name was a past husband.
The reason why I asked that,
I had to get the name because my daughter had the name.
and my mother's side of the family is Coleman.
Oh, really?
Oh, we got some Colemans in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah,
That's not good. Sorry, boss. Wife. It's recognized and honored for their participation in unity of African communities living in America. And it goes on to say, said honoree to offer sincere praise and gratitude for our ongoing efforts in these worthwhile and consequential endeavors. I'd like to present this to you on my motion before the Senate. And also the same to Charles, is that Luti? Yes, Charles Luti Gaye. Gaye.
Where's the photographer?
Yeah, hey, there he is. Thank you. Okay, now. Okay. He thinks he needs to help me. I've traveled Africa after I tried. These are to those who are here. Some may not be, but I think they are, for the most part. To all these whom ye present shall come, greetings. Know ye that the Honorable Mohamed Banse from Burkina Faso is recognized and honored. Send the best wishes for that most success and good fortune in the future. And on my motion, my friend.
Wow.
Thank you. Come in the middle for a photo. Come in the middle for a photo. See, we're gonna be all day if we do that.
Go ahead and start. You go ahead and start. The next person. That's all you gotta do is go ahead and start.
I'm gonna make a proposal, but I can be overruled. Why don't I go through this and we all come up here?
That's right.
That's a good one.
That's right.
Okay?
Okay, that's a good
That'll cut. Okay.
Mhm.
Because there's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
The same thing goes to the Honorable Pastor Michelle Mukendi. Michelle Mukendi. From Congo. Is she present? She may be in the house. She may not. We'll get
in
it.
Africa, but his wife is in India.
Is she here?
Yes, Mama Beatrice.
Yes.
Madame Beatrice.
Where is she?
Madame Beatrice.
Come forward, please.
ndamukanyo yo muri Congo.
Thank you. Stay with us. The Honorable Donna Ngoyi.
Okay, he's done here.
The Honorable Kosi Kubebi.
Kosi Kubebi. Togo.
Did I just say Kosi Kubebi?
Yeah, we'll make sure they get it.
Yankoyi Koi.
Nyakwe Roger Boy.
Excuse me.
Some of these individuals are in Africa.
Yeah, they are.
Joseph E. Gordon.
Oh, stop.
Joseph Gordon, Ghana.
Joseph.
Ghana.
Ghana.
He's on my way.
August Ninamu.
Africa, Cote d'Ivoire.
You gotta let me say it.
Okay.
You say the country. If I mess it up, you repeat.
All right. Africa.
August is here.
He's representative here.
Is he here?
Africa. Tia Sepon Landry.
Come forward.
Tia Sepon Landry. Venez prendre pour
Yeah,
votre
he's
frère.
representing
Augustin Ninamu de la Côte d'Ivoire.
Welcome, my brother.
Côte d'Ivoire. Oh yeah, Côte d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Africa.
Ivory Coast. Okay. Stay up here with us, please. Sekou Nanabu. Sekou Kaden Ninamu.
He's from Guinea, Conakry, West Africa.
Wilfred Goy.
Yeah.
Wilfred Goy.
Yeah.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Yeah.
Emmanuel Zimana.
Yeah, Burundi. He went to church.
Pascal, I know Pascal's here. Pascal Koliaba.
Yeah.
Guinea. I accuse him from being from Portugal. Stay with us, Pascal, please. Honorable Siba Dioro.
Sibatero. Yeah.
Have y'all noticed how well I'm? Sadie Waliko.
Saidi Waliko. Tanzania.
Someone is here representing.
Chantal, come get for Saidi Waliko, please. It is
For Chantal.
Chantal, please.
Yes, yes.
Chantal,
Come get for Saidi.
that's my new friend. Chantal.
Yeah.
Stay with us, Chantal. Edna Wahab Waliko. Did I say that right?
Oh, come back.
Chantal, stay here
Yeah,
with
it
us.
is Saidi brother.
Waliko.
Yeah, you have to
They're
take
from
his.
Tanzania.
Yeah, she'll take his.
Yes.
Salidi
Yeah,
Waliko.
they all
Yes.
from, yeah, they'll take
They're
his.
from Tanzania.
Yeah.
Oscar Shimiyukiza.
Oscar.
From Rwanda. Ngira ngo murabona guys, uyu ni umunyarwanda.
Amadou Webogoki.
Koibogi. Amadou Koibogi. Yeah.
Louis Xavier Mutanda.
Louis Xavier Mutanda, Congo.
Congo.
Yeah.
Patrice Bambara. Bambara.
Yes.
Patrice Bamba.
Patrice Bambara.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excuse me. You pronouncing those names good like you used to it?
I've traveled Africa, my friend.
Yeah.
Etienne Abenana.
Ah, Etienne Abimana.
Burundi, Rwanda.
He's from Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Hidalgo. Kayajuka.
Hidalgo Kaizuka. Hidalgo is from Rwanda. He's a
Yeah.
Rwanda country representative
Muvandimwe wo
in
mu
America
Rwanda.
here.
John Oscar
Uhagarariye
Samaza.
Abanyarwanda.
Jean Oscar Ruzamanza, RDC.
C. Christian Sioyi.
See Christian Thioye. Christian Thioye, he is one of the people in the African immigrant division who got suitcase of courage on his head and shoulder. Yeah, I want please, we clap for him.
Yes.
I am immigrant like him too, but honestly, our condition in America, he's the stronger one because he's here. It's not easy. Now he's in master degree. Yeah, so I want to clap for him. Yeah.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
The Honorable Abdul Darfu.
Abdul Dafu.
Okay, the Honorable Koli Kalikovi. That's got
Yeah,
that wrong.
Guinea Conakry.
Yeah, all that. The Honorable Alpha Conde.
Yeah. Alpha Conde.
The Honorable Mentos Lama. The Honorable Jean-Baptiste Lua.
Jean-Baptiste Lua.
Been hitting it. The Pastor Jean Didi Bokoyo.
Yeah. Pastor Jean Didi Bokoyo. He contacted me.
Okay.
They got serious problem.
Okay.
They got social assistance. I think that's why some of them are not
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Pastor Jean Didi Bokoyo is from Congo. He's the one that the organization had a vote and choose him as an all-African church living in Kentucky, those church representatives. So we had to work very hard with him to make sure those churches come together to form one. Even they can pray in different churches, but sometimes the representative can come together to make sure everything goes well in the community. So Pastor Zandidi is not here, but he will receive it and he will say thank you.
Okay. Pastor Yonik Mokala.
I think, I'm not sure. if it's-
Pastor Arlene
Yeah, you can call
All,
her name.
Kaninda.
all those,
Call
they,
her name.
I'm gonna call her
yes,
name.
Yeah, you
yes.
call her name. Yeah.
All they have.
Just now, Fred,
This is a,
Fred, Kalga, Palana,
yeah,
Fred,
Palgay Palana.
Kalge, Palana,
Yes.
Semikola Biama,
Sami Kola Biama. All of them are pastors. Yeah.
okay,
Yes.
Isaac Kiole,
Prophet Isaac Nkole. All of them, they are the African church representatives.
Morbi Kadalai,
Yes.
Deka Mabanzila,
Yes. They are.
Ridi Manpuya, and that ends my responsibility.
Everyone come forward a little bit. We're gonna take a photo of everyone. Come on, y'all, come on. Everybody get in. Yeah, we're gonna get everyone. Senator, you might wanna come over. You come over a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, come over there.
Yeah, we come on this
This
way.
way.
And everybody can stand up, maybe.
We want to get to
Yeah.
Turn this way. Turn this way. Come on. They're gonna turn this way.
Everyone get in.
Kathy, please.
Come on, Miss Kathy.
Yeah.
We're gonna put you in the center. And Yvonne, you come off the side.
Okay.
Come in, you're gonna come right here.
Okay,
Come
here
right
we
here.
go.
All right, just come right here. Don't bring you much trouble. Bring her right here. Bring her right here.
Hey guys, bariya rero senateri yari arimo abaha certificate zo kubashimira nk'abanyafurika, ni abo ngabo ngira ngo murababona. Yes guys, nk'uko nabibabwiraga rero ngira ngo speech yo cyangwa se ijambo rya senateri, ni senateri wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika. Guys, ntabwo ari ibintu biba kuri buri bantu bose ko bahura na senateri muri leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika, yarangiza akabaha speech nk'iyi ngiyi, ndetse akabaha na ziriya certificate zo kubashimira nk'abanyafurika mu by'ukuri batanga contribution yabo cyangwa se umusanzu wo kubaka kino gihugu, especially ahangaha muri Kentucky. Aba ni abanyafurika, mwagiye mwumva ibihugu bagiye bahamagara abantu batandukanye kuva mu bihugu bitandukanye, hari Congo, Rwanda, Burkina Faso, henshi cyane guys. Hano hatuye abanyafurika benshi cyane, benshi ndagenda mbereka amafoto y'abagerageje kwitabira, ariko ngira ngo murabona ko ari abantu benshi. Kuba rero na leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika zabashije kubaha agaciro zikohereza na senateri, ntabwo ari ibintu biba byoroshye. Reka rero nkomeze mbakurikiranire ikiganiro, ntabwo mvuga ibintu byinshi. Thank you.
African communities living in America, you know, why we are here and what we hope to do. First of all, the organization was created to help immigrants become an integral part of society in America. And one of the things that I noticed is that, you know, African immigrants, some communities, if it's Ghana, they have a Ghana community. If it's Guinea, they have a Guinea community. So one of the things that we wanted to do is to bring those communities together. And we've been very successful in doing that. The unity of African communities. There are 54 countries, but right now in our organization, we have representatives from 19 of those 54 countries, and we are continuing. We're going to continue until we get all 54. Okay, we're not going to give up until we have all 54 that are here. And one of the ways that we've been able to bring them together is through a lot of different ways, through education, through different programs, through bringing them into the community, such as this event here. And we want to thank Senator Neal wonderfully and Kathy Neal, yes, Senator Kathy Neal, for bringing us here and letting us come to his home and to be together, because it's things like this that brings those African communities out into into the different communities, and we want to bring together not just the African communities, bring them out and merge them in. We also want to merge them in also, with African American communities. So let's give our host a big round of applause for. And as I said, we're going to continue. We got a lot to do. We got a lot more work to do. So we're going to be calling on a lot more people to help us because we cannot do it by ourselves. And we're going to be calling on a lot of people to help us. It has been a journey. We started the organization in 2019. So we've been moving forward. We're not going to step back. We're going to continue going forward. As I said, we're going to continue till we get the representation of all 54 countries. I want to take just a moment here. One of our members who was the very first recruit, Charles and I, of course, we founded the organization. And Charles was instrumental in getting many of the African people together to come and sit down. And at our very first meeting, Mr. Ahmed Bansay from Burkina Faso, he was there. And he told us at that time, he said, this is not going to be easy. And it has not been easy, but it's been very successful so far. And we want to have him to come up and say a few words because he has given us so much courage and so much encouragement to continue doing what we're doing. Mr. Bansay.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. And it's a pleasure to be here today to talk about the unity of Africa. Is something that's never easy. There's nothing easy in Africa except for reading or something like that. But when Mr. Charles called me talking about he and this wonderful lady here had an idea of trying to unite all the African here. I said, look, don't say nothing further, just put me in. Write my name right away. So I would show up wherever they call it for unity for Africa. And from there on, I've been, saying whatever in my mind about the experience we have in Africa and beyond. So it haven't been easy, but we are doing it. Nothing easy is good. When it's easy, that means it's going to go away easy too. But when you're struggling to build it, you're going to be looking at it every single day. They polish it every single day, worship it every single day. And that's what this African unity is our hope. And it's our dream to all. It's not only African, even African American. We even try to get some of our African American brothers to assist us, to be among us, to teach us about the experience what is the difference between being an African or African American. We want to know, because we want to blend in this society here. So in order to do that, and thank God we have people like Miss Yvonne and the Senator, which I thank him so much. God bless you, and bless your family, and God bless everybody that's here. So we lean on you guys' shoulder to make history here in the United States of America. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And of course, we have to have Mr. Charles here, my dear friend. He's our association started with the conversation with him. He just walked up to me and started talking one day, and I'm listening to him, and I'm thinking, my God, he was telling me about Africa. I asked him where he was from, and he told me about Africa. And at that moment, something just touched me and said, is there anything I can do to help? And I have been helping since that day. So, Charles, thank you so much. If you hadn't come to me, I don't think I would have come to you. So you had to come to me, and you brought me into this, and I am so happy that you did. Let's hear a few words from you.
Thank you, Madam Yvonne. Thank you for everything. I'm not going to talk too much about you for now. Yes. First of all, on the name of the unity of African communities living in America, we are going to say thanks to Honorable Gerald A Neal and his
wife, our honorable mama, our honorable lady, mother. We are going to say again thanks to every people here who are supporting Gerald Neal and family. We are saying thanks to all of African people who was here. Chers frères et sœurs africains, chers parents, chers collègues, j'ai changé le langage parce que ce que je vais dire, c'est juste pour nous qui parlons le français, qui comprenons le français. Alors, aujourd'hui, c'est une grande journée pour nous, c'est une très grande opportunité. Et ce que je suis en train de dire, vous-même qui êtes venus, ce que vous avez vu, les personnages de différentes visions que vous avez rencontrés, vous ne les avez jamais rencontrés, c'est la toute première fois. Comprenez que notre organisation est la meilleure ici aux États-Unis et à Kentucky, auquel tous les membres du gouvernement veulent s'impliquer, veulent s'introduire pour pouvoir travailler fabuleusement avec nous. Alors, chers frères, si vous êtes contents, vous qui comprenez le français, applaudissez pour notre organisation.
Ah oui.
Je vous dis vraiment grand merci. Et vous qui avez effectué le déplacement, nous vous en supplions de suivre les personnes qui vous ont invités ici aujourd'hui parce que ces gens-là représentent vos communautés dans l'organisation. Nous travaillons avec les présidents et vice-présidents de chaque communauté. C'est pourquoi vous n'avez pas vu nombre de nos représentants ici. Donc, nous allons continuer la causerie après. I was telling them, thank you in French to make sure people who don't speak English, they can understand what we were saying here in French. That's why I had to change a little bit because my accent cannot let you people realize that if I speak many other languages, I spoke maybe 7 other different languages. That's why my English cannot be like you people here. But yeah. The organization we have, it is the organization that never been created in America. First of all, by the name, saying Unity of African Communities Living in America. We are not united in Africa. We are not united in America. That's why we start in America to make sure we come together because our garden that are American, they are already united. They unite, we stand, they divide, we fall.
Mhm.
So why we cannot come together
That's true,
as
man.
African here
Yeah,
to
yeah,
form
like
one
it.
community, then
Sure.
our garden can support us, can take care of us, or we can explain what we think. That's why we had to come together. That's the first reason. Second reason, when we come in America, they teach us in English. They teach English in different classroom, everything. But the true practice life in America, they don't teach that. So imagine someone here who are American, if they take you to go in a country where they only speak French and you only speak English, you don't know anybody there who speak English, and you are in the middle of people who speak only French. How you will feel? The time you will spend there before you get used to the language, before you start doing what you can do to make yourself better, is that the organization are doing for new immigrants, and it never happened here.
Good.
When you go out, I'm 7 years in America, but my car is a very small car because Madam Yvonne and her husband had financed for me for driver school. I get my driver license by driver school. So I am the one who teaching many of new immigrants here to get a driver license for free. Yes. And Madam Yvonne and many other people, we're helping new immigrants after school, but how to practice their life in America. Because citizenship test, when you are in America, the first thing to do is how to take care of the expenses. So as new, it's not easy. That's what we are doing. When we're doing that, even today, our family members in Africa, they will show the video, they will show the photo, they will show every post we will do. What they will be saying is, we are here, don't forget us. Yes. So, Honorable Ahmed Banse from Burkina Faso, I want to talk a little bit about him. Please, excuse me. Yes, yeah, I'm not gonna be too long. He is one of the stronger person in the organization. He's the vice president of project development. He's the one who had a star investing in Africa to help villages
that are way far from big cities where hospitals are. He already with his community, by the help of the organization, we are doing so many stuff in Africa to help our different population. So if that is a good thing, I think we need to clap it for that. So I'm not gonna stay long because we cannot say everything today, but for everything, any person here who come to assist the Honorable Gerald A Neal and family for this reception, to make this reception successful, anybody who wanna help UAC to grow, because we started 4 community, now we are more than 17. Because, more than 19. So many people, like 7, they went back in Africa. This time, no school. Everywhere, no school, so it's a good time for vacation. That's why they went to visit the family. That's why. And we cannot bring all our family members here. That's why you're not gonna see. And if we organize and to invite you, we will invite you all. We will invite you. Then you will see many different communities, and all community will be doing something different. Yes, and that good moment will come later. For everything, please contact Madam Yvonne. She's the president of this organization. She and her husband had helped me in person a lot after I met her. I work at Amazon. Since I'm in America, I never changed the job. I still at Amazon. At Amazon, I saw Yvonne there. She went there for exercise, like a physical therapy. Yeah, when I saw her, I saw her. I said, this person, no, we people here, this lady is totally different. Maybe she's here for secret control or something different. Yeah, when we come, they teach us that, hey, be careful in America. Don't speak to people. Here, be careful when you say to someone hi, you gotta be careful he don't be making him mad. So I was scared how to come to her. Yeah, then when I come first time, I say, hello, can I speak with you? She said, oh yeah. When I sit down, I say, do you work here? She said, yes, why? I said, because you look different to everybody. She said, oh, I'm just here for 3 months. I say, okay. She said, why? I said, no, because you are very different. I think you can be someone who can help me. Then she looked at me like this. If someone talk to you about me, I say, no. I said, but your look is different than people here. Yeah, that's how everything comes. How can I help you? I say, well, my family is in Africa. I need everything you can do to help me, to help my family in Africa. She talked to her husband. My second job was to her husband's company in Marina service. So now I still with her husband. Okay, the support assistant to me, it make my community to know her. Then we choose her to now, she's the godmother of a Guinea community.
Yeah.
Then, when she was the first time godmother for Guinea community in 31 December 2018, I had to choose Amanda Bansay as a godfather. That's why unity of African communities has started to come out. So today now we are more than 17 communities representative. So special thanks to you, man. You're working very hard. We want many American people to be like you. Thank you so much.
Okay, we got some treats for you today. Hamadou and Charles are gonna do a drum performance. And then for those who want to get their dance on, Charles has it's a tape called it's a religious song. It's Jerusalem, and then we're gonna teach a dance. He's gonna teach a dance, so we're gonna be brief with it, but we want everybody to go home.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah, we want everybody to go home, at least learn a few steps. Okay, so let's let them play on the drum first, and then we'll do the dance.
Just to make the last moment, enjoy maybe 10 minutes maximum before we leave. Yeah.
Got it, man. Oh man, yeah, like that beat, man. Your melody naikunze. Kanangoze. So guys, ngira ngo uwo muvandimwe ari gukora umurya cyangwa se ari kuvuza ingoma bya kinyafurika anaririmba gutyo. Ngira ngo mumaze kumva ijambo rya senateri w'Amerika, mwumvishe ijambo ry'undi muntu umwe mu bahagarariye abanyafurika ashimira cyane senateri Gerald. Ngira ngo mwamubonye avuga speech. Ni senateri wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika guys. Ntabwo ari ikintu cyoroshye, ntabwo ari ikintu buri muntu wese abonera amahirwe cyo guhura na senateri. Bakomeje kugenda bashima bose, bashima uyu muryango w'abanyafurika bishyize hamwe. Mu by'ukuri bavuze amaspeech atandukanye bavuga ukuntu bafasha abanyafurika bagera aha bwa mbere mu buryo bwo kubona driving license cyangwa mu buryo bwo gutwara imodoka, babafasha mu buryo bwo kumenya uburyo bagomba kwitwara hano muri Amerika mu buryo bw'imibereho, kugira ngo babanze bamenye ukuntu by'umwihariko bagomba kuhaba neza, kuko haba hasabwa ibintu byinshi cyane mu buryo bw'imibereho. Bavuze ibintu byinshi. Reka dukomeze dukurikirane ikiganiro. Ngira ngo murabona ko Presidente uhagarariye abanyafurika arimo aravuga. Yes guys.
And you are always there when we need advice, whatever we need, you're always there. Thank you so much. Yes. You gotta do form too. I don't know. We got to get your internet.
The dance song.
Yes.
Sure, we want to do this?
Yes, we do. We want everyone to leave dancing.
Is Bill gonna dance?
Yeah, Bill's gonna dance. Yeah, he is.
Laying on your back. Yeah. What is the name of this? The Moscow? Looking for it. Still looking for it. Bill, please, can you assist me here? Is your on?
Let me see this one. What is the name when you bring it through? What's it come up? What's coming up? What's coming up?
Yes guys, ngira ngo murabona ko ni ibintu byiza cyane. Bagiye kugerageza kubyina imbyino imwe hano, kugira ngo guys babashe kwishima, basabane. Bahaciye igihe kinini abantu badahura nk'uko nari nabibabwiye, especially noneho abantu iyo bahuye nk'uko. Ngira ngo na hariya hirya mu matente guys, ntago nabashije kugerayo. Hari abanyafurika benshi. Ntago ari ikintu umuntu yacikwa guhura na senateri by'umwihariko wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika yaje gushimira abanyafurika especially. Bakora ahantu hatandukanye, batanga umusanzu wabo. Aba ari ikintu rero gikomeye. Ngira ngo kuba na leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika zirekonesa icyo kintu zikavuga zitireka dushimira aba bantu bari mu gihugu cyacu nk'aba immigrants cyangwa nk'abimukira nimba ariko twabyita mu kinyarwanda, ariko bari aha ngaha muri Amerika kandi bafite icyo bamariye iki gihugu, batanga umusanzu mu iterambere ryacyo. Guys, rero nk'uko nabibabwiye tuzajya dukomeza dukore ibiganiro, ariko nk'uko nabibabwiye mu ruganiriro rwacu bifite icyo bidusigira. Ngira ngo buri wese muri iki kiganiro gitoya kitari kirekire cyane, hari speech mwagiye mwumva atandukanye. Ngira ngo abazi Senator Gerald mwamubonye atanga speech itari ndende cyane, ariko by'umwihariko yari igamije gushimira abanyafurika. Mwabonye bashimiwe bahabwa certificates, mwabonye abahagarariye abanyafurika ngaha muri Kentucky. Ni byinshi, hari ibikorwa abanyafurika bakora, nzakomeza ngende mbibasangiza kugira ngo guys mubone ko nimuramuka muje muri Amerika ntago muzaba muri mwenyine, muzahasanga abanyafurika batandukanye bazabafasha. Bwa bufatanye bw'abanyafurika burahari, ntago waza ngo ube lost cyangwa ngo wibure. Ahangaha uriya muvandimwe arimo aravuga ati muhaguruke tubyine Jerusalem, kugira ngo ni injyana y'abanyafurika yabaye popular cyane, yakunzwe n'abantu benshi. Yavuze ati rero muhaguruke tuyibyine tusoza uyu muhuro wacu. Guys, ngira ngo murabona ko ni fun, ni ibyishimo bikomeye cyane. Abanyafurika barahari hose, murabona baricaye. Ahangaha twari twahuriye ni mu rugo rwa Senator Gerald, atuye ahantu heza cyane, ngira ngo murahabona hafi ya Ohio River. Iyo ni Ohio River, iri hafi y'urugo rwe rwose, munsi y'urugo rwe murabona ahantu bacukura n'imicanga. Yes guys, ni ahantu heza cyane. So ntabwo ari ikintu rero cyoroshye kuba senateri yafata abanyafurika akabicaza mu rugo rwe, bagasangira, bakaganira, bakagirana ibihe byiza. Ni ikiba kigaragaza yuko abanyafurika ntabwo ari abantu badafite icyo bamaze muri Amerika, ahubwo ni abantu bafite akamaro gakomeye cyane. Niyo mpamvu na Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika by'umwihariko murabona senateri ko yishimye, nawe yahagurutse arimo arafata udufoto abyina Jerusalem. Reka negere guys mbafatire iyi show, komeze mwirebere. Ni really fun, ni ibintu byiza mo bagenda bahana amadarapo ya Afurika bayashyira hejuru, bati twishimire Afurika yacu. Murabona guys, ni ibyishimo bikomeye cyane. Buri wese aramuvinga avuga ati amen. That's really cool man. Ni ibyishimo. Abanyafurika iyo bahuye rero nyuma y'akazi kaba katoroshye, nyuma y'amashuri bamwe bariga, nyuma ya struggle nyinshi, kari agaciyemo rero. Ntabwo bafata umwanya munini cyane, ariko baracyakomeza bishima, bagira ibihe byiza. Ngira ngo murabona iyo move guys, that's really move, I like it. Wow, murayibona iyo move, babyina Jerusalem, ni nziza cyane man. Amena. Murabyumva men ko umuco wacu always, umuco wacu ni mwiza. Ibihe byose murabona n'abazungu bari kumuvinga Jerusalem. It's really fun man. Africans always on top man. I really appreciate this man. Murabibona ko ni ibintu byiza cyane. Abantu barishimye bamuvinga bavuga ati Jerusalem, ariko banavuga bati twishimiye kuba turi muri iki gihugu cya Amerika nk'abanyafurika. kandi tuzakomeza dutange umusanzu wacu wo kucyubaka, ntago tuzahwema na gatoya, ntituzatezuka ku nshingano zo gukorera iki gihugu ndetse no gufasha abanyafurika muri rusange, bene wacu, baba ari abaza muri Amerika, baba ari abari mu bihugu byabo bamanika amadarapo bavuga bati we are proud of being Africans and proud of being here in America, cyangwa se ariko ntago twibagiwe inkomoko yacu, ntago twibagiwe gakondo, dukomoka muri Afurika, niho hari inkomoko yacu, niyo gakondo yacu, ariko iki gihugu tugomba kugikorera kuko tukirimo kandi twariyemeje no gukora kugira ngo kigire aho kiva, kigire aho kigera, tugiteze imbere, ariko natwe by'umwihariko twiteze imbere, duteze imbere n'imiryango yacu. So ni ibintu byiza cyane, murabona bakibyina Jerusalem, yeah, it's really good guys, murabibona ko ni ibintu byiza cyane, mashi menshi, madarapo hejuru. Ndaza kwegera buri darapo rya buri gihugu cya muri Afurika cyari gifite representatives bari hano ba presentinze ibihugu, ndagenda mbereka amafoto y'amadarapo nimbona uko nyafata. Guys, murakoze cyane, reka dukomeze. Guys, urwo ni urugo rero rwa senateri. Nagerageje kujya ahantu hitaruye ngo murubone, ni runini, ni ahantu yari yatwakiriye nk'abanyafurika bari muri Kentucky. Ahangaha bagiye kubyina n'indi njyana. It's really cool, man. Wow. Murabona ko abantu hano barishimye cyane, kandi ni ngombwa, ntago ari ikintu kiba cyoroshye, man. Niwo muco uranga abanyafurika, turangwa no kwishima no gusabana nyuma y'akazi, nyuma y'imihangayiko iba itandukanye. Ni ibintu byiza rero, it's really amazing. Yes, murabibona, ntago navuga amagambo menshi, ariko murabona ko abantu bishimye, buri wese ahari aranyeganyega, avuga ati nishimiye kuba ndi muri Amerika, ariko nanone nishimiye no kuba ndi umunyafurika. Senateri nawe muramubona ko yawukase umuziki wa kinyafurika. Man guys, that's really cool. Senateri nawe aravuga ati nanjye ndi umunya-Afurika, niho nkomoka. Ngira ngo ni umwe mu basenateri bakomoka muri Afurika wabashije kugera ku buyobozi muri top positions hano muri Amerika. Aba senita ntabwo ari ibintu biba byoroshye. Guys, urabona ko buri muntu wese hano yishimye cyane. Yeah. It's really cool. Ni ibintu byiza cyane. Barimo barasoza rero. Thank you, mwakoze cyane kwitabira iki gikorwa. Guys, barimo barafata rero ifoto y'urwibutso rwa Unit of African Community Living in America. Murabona bana yabo, bavuga bati we are proud to be in America, but to be the person from Africa. Yes, murababona, nyirango ni byiza guys. Uko nari nabibabwiye rero, hari benshi, murabona hari abava mu Burundi, amadarapo nayo ntazi, kuva muri Togo, ibihugu byinshi cyane. Buri gihugu hano cyari gifite ifoto, amadarapo murayabona. Hano hari idarapo rya buri gihugu cyari gihagarariwe na buri muntu. Hari abantu benshi benshi batandukanye. Yes, murabona ni idarapo ry'u Rwanda, abanyarwanda nabo twari duhari turi benshi. Hari amadarapo Congo murayibona, Kenya, Nigeria, ibihugu byinshi murabibona guys. Hari amadarapo ntazi Morocco, hari ibihugu byinshi, Kenya, Togo, Mozambique, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana. Amadarapo yose mubona naya bantu bari presented aha ni mu nzu ya senateri, ngira ngo murabona amafoto ye. Aya ni amafoto ye atandukanye guys, ari kumwe hano na Obama. Ngira ngo ntabwo ari umuntu woroshye guys, murabibona. Guys, ngaha rero aho abanyafurika bari bateraniye muri rusange mu rugo rwa Senator Gerald. Ntago byari ibintu byoroshye, ariko nagerageje kubakavaringira uko mbishoboye. Aho mwabonye amashusho ataje neza nuko nabuze uburyo ki nyafatamo. Ntago ahantu hari senateri umuntu yitwara uko abonye guys, ariko ni ibintu byiza cyane. Ngira ngo murabona ko atuye ahantu heza cyane hafi y'amazi. Urugo rwe nagerageje kurubereka hanze no mu nzu aho nabashije kugera uko mbishoboye. Aha ni hanze y'urugo rwe mu gikari. Ngira ngo murabona ko guys afite inzu nziza, byananiye no kuyikavaringa neza yose, nagiye nyibereka ibice. Ni ikintu cyiza rero. Ngira ngo murabona yuko abanyafurika aho turi hose tugerageza gusigasira umuco wacu wo gukora. Abanyafurika ngaha muri Amerika ikintu tuzwiho cyane nuko turi abantu bakora, ntago turi abanebwe. Ngira ngo iki ni igihamya kiba kibigaragaza. Ntago Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika fata umwanya wazo especially ngo senateri afate umwanya adutumire mu rugo rwe, dusangire, dusabane, tuganire, ngo batange na zino certificates mwabonye guys. Ntago ari ikintu rero buri wese abona, ni ibintu by'agaciro. Namwe mujye muba proud, mwumve ko aho turi hano muri Amerika turi gukora neza kandi tubahesha ishema nk'abanyafurika. Ngira ngo rero guys, ni ibyo ngibyo bijyanye n'uyu munsi nagira ngo mbasangize, bijyanye n'uyu muryango mu by'ukuri w'abanyafurika bishyize hamwe hano muri Amerika, by'umwihariko muri Kentucky, kugira ngo babashe gushyira imbaraga zabo hamwe, babashe gufashanya mu buryo butandukanye, ndetse no kugira ngo babashe kugaragaza ibikorwa byabo muri rusange. Guys rero reka duhinira ahangaha, ariko nsoza mbabwira nti guys, ntimukibagirwe gukora subscribe, ntimwibagirwe gukora like, ntimwibagirwe gushyiraho comment, ntimwibagirwe kandi no gukora ku nzogera kugira ngo ikiganiro cyose kizajya gicaho mujye muba notified. So guys, ciao rero, Imana iduhane umugisha.